Hi everybody, today we are going to recreate the viral latte look. What's the latte look, you might be wondering, because if you're like me, you have no idea what the trending things are on TikTok. But the latte look is a makeup look that focuses on the colors of a latte, browns, creams, and caramel colors. No rosiness or redness at all. So let's get going. The first step I'm going to do is cover up all the redness that I have in my face today because, as I said, the latte look doesn't have any rosiness or redness in it. Let's contour. Instead of blush, we're going to use a little bit of bronzer to give it that signature bronzy glow. The latte look eyes always have just some really pretty browns and creams. So today I'm using these colors down here to give us that nice look. I'm going to start with brown, brush it all over my eyelids. Next, I'm going to go in with my small brush and a smoky brown line. Then I'm going to go in with this really pretty bronzy copper color and dot it in the center of my eye. And you know what? I think I'm actually going to put a little bit of this darker brown in the corner here as well. And blend. Now we're going to use a little bit of the brightest light color right here under the brow and in the corner. Now that the eyes are done, we're going to brighten up just a little bit under them. For a final touch, we're going to add some really nice illuminator in this color Glow. For our lips, we do not want any pink, so I'm going to line it and fill it with this. For the signature wet lips, top it with a little bit of the gloss. If you want to take it up a notch and add a little bit of extra shimmer, you can put on some powder illuminator.